나 약간 감사. 아니 다리 진짜 둔벨로만 솔이야. 다른 게 주시티. 즉 쉬워지게 아주 메자다 대화여버치 강시질라야. 아니 즉 아주 거 차리 난게 캐치 뭐 쉬우지 차대요래. 근데 인도 다직 삼노스 담베이나. 아주 다 빼나야 기란조 단데식 믹스 좀 채내봐. 남규네 아주 믹 규네 망보칭 아주 잠블링디 따대고래 디나리아 다직 선다탐 만다시 통대고래 땡 지간주 격스랭가다 믹스 좀 베이나 차단 나궁도 통되기도 와. 다 나궁 통백값수 아니 즉 아주게 즉 삼탐베이나 야나 즉 아주 데데도 즉 삼탐베이나 나궁기라 록 천하콘라 야록 톱자고자 시체네 즉 낭기 내다한테 차선 나군도 지차체네 안 더도 선발이야 지금야 보고 춘주도 진배는 감라 쉬우지게 소거든 내용도 봐 아주 미 gem바인 배네야 지금 록 시도 선발이야 아주 다직 가세 그래 가난스게 기면도 아직 즉 샘난 념난소로 지차 계기도 와 근데도 다직 다른 게 주시다 뒤때 대화 좀 쉬우래 Today's topic is something which is very much related to our day-to-day life and something which we see a lot but we really understand little. So my prime objective for today's lesson is to explore more on the topic so that you would understand what the topic actually says. So topic it's very interesting. So I hope you will focus yourself in understanding every bit of knowledge, every bit of information that I'm delivering. Now, in present situation, we have been locked down for so many days, and we have to stay back at our home. And I'm sure most of you would very much like to go out in nature and explore the world around you. You would like to see the nature. You would like to go with your friends, and since it's the summertime, I'm sure you would like to go with your friends for swimming in the river, maybe in the river or in the swimming pool. And some of you may even like to go out for trekking, hiking, and see the nature, the beauty of the nature around you. But presently, since the lockdown has been extended for till the end of this month, I would like to show you, I would like to take you out in the nature and see some beautiful pictures of nature. So that's a good morning picture. Today the Department of Education CTA 당얘기 다 엔데체비나 다음 파트 맞은 거는 얘기 activity 지체와. So today the topic is about light. We see it a lot, but we understand it very little. So our main objective is to understand the topic. So light, say it what? Tati conditional 원생가. So if I ask you what light is, are you able to see things? No, we don't see things in darkness. So what actually is a light? Light, you may say in a very simple way, you may say light helps us to see things, right? It allows it allows the visibility of the objects around us. It helps us to see things. That's a very simple way to express what light is. And then is light a ray? Let me put this sentence in a question way. Is it a light? Is it a ray? Is light a ray? So to prove it, let's do an activity. So activity chunju the light the ray in the main That tell the activity the namje chala de get nye de start I've used 3 CDs. Ba nge series sum peju ta bi ani denge thamugol shi chi nang la yö sha chi peju ta bi an kran so thamugol sab la ya de cardboard de peju ta na. That's a very simple activity to prove that light is a ray. Let's see. Ta de ne ikun de ne teve na kran ne thonggu wa yang la de ge de pa ba thonggu wa ta yang la pa ba de thong bi na nge dok she ne wa nge dos tu gi nda e chi light de jodan de kan la 이공 되네 카도 제지 기란소 양라디 초칠 통구도와 독신다. 네 얘기 구버디 이공 되네 유치는다. 다디 카도 라이트 이공 된 통구에상에 구버디 독스 주변이와 대기란소 독스 대비 나다. 카레로스 통구리세나 디 카도로스 통구레 구버디게디 디나라 액티비티 디 와 구버디게 디 카두로 스통그레 도세 와 당아서 구버디게 디 카두 지여다 다 게테 if I turn a bit 디게 딩에게 this 디게 디 테스 시켜고 나르와 now are you able to see the flame of the candle? No, you can't. ngumendwa tati mathong du sampala kharchin thong yomar sebe na ani kubadi tevi na ta dela duks tevi na tangegi kiran sole ya ke obwa tanda thongmendwa tande chal tange duks ya kya gi inda duks ya kya chine kiran sol tembi na delia kubadi get itas kirwa na sechne di tembi na ro an dela tanda dingegi 디줄라 키나줄라디 사산 스팅기르와 쿠바디 카르체네 키나줄라야 통요드 메시지네 아주 단다 데라 카릴하이스나 단다가 주다디 카메라디 포지션 디 십치긴르와 키나줄 땡에 체도인다 쿠바디 응주기 다기 당포델이야 응주기 양라디 카두 통구도와 디스네 안데네 예베델이야 얘기 시리디게디 시리디스디게디 디스 I've changed the position of those 3 CDs a bit, and then as a result, you haven't seen the flame of the candle. So in that case, the reason is we're going to know the reason. What does this show? Ding azu tyoe inda tanda. Wadi khari tyoe gore. So delia leaders tebina so tanda delia nganzuge karados thongdu sebina tanda di kubadigeti ene chebina ta kyoddir kubadigeti duk shechirwa kyodde yetsa ani de tanda 양라 맵바부디기디 통용 말에 이군데네 구버디기디 다디 구버디가 갈등 거스나 light 아주 되네 마통에 줌센디 light travels in a straight line 어디 가두이나 가두 두고요 붙이 어디 격친 두고 말에 계속 격체 두고요 베이나 얘기 단다디 격두 삼발이야 단다디 격두 삼발이야 시티디게 격두 삼발이야 안 키란조 라이트야 격치네 통과해지래. 근데 통구면도와 통구매도 삼발이야. 아니 가르쳐 거스나 라이트 껴고 말에 람디 더백값수 람톨 껴고요 말에 light doesn't turn around. So we can say that light travels in a straight line. So 데리야 어디 카두 두기요사 we can say light is a ray. Since it is traveling in a straight line, therefore we can say that light is a ray. Ray is something that goes in a straight line, on a straight line. Dimensional ray sigre, so definitely light has to be a ray because it's going in a straight line. Diche. Ta delia ni bedelia ngatsugi ta de di parakashi jinda. Tange de light di khadu dugyo bech tön sabi ba. Light the ray himba yang ngatsugi activity chunchu chigi gyune tap debu chigi gyune ngatsu light the ray himba chig tön ba yin because it goes in a straight line. Diche and the ngazun am gyune koyo gyure light travels in a straight line rectilinear propagation sigba. Diche ta dele ya ngazugi ye parka shishwa ta di nyona sa che dinda. That's a good one in picture. Right? See the beautiful color of the sky. It's so vibrant. Dukshe, let's go to the next picture. That's again a very beautiful picture. Sun rays falling on the sea. And that's a beautiful mountain. The park has in the Yanazo Nala de Denigita Novi Guriva, Songazo Teshik, Chilogi, Kuyuti Chik, Sebina, the Regan Zasa which Lundaj Barra, the near Nasa the name of the name, the name Yokotuegi, Melamche. Then that is a very beautiful picture of Trun, the Drum Salagirva, Yunamanach Regan, camping chisa, hiking chisa chigre, Trun Sigre, it's a very beautiful place. Teneda mache chunje jiche anzu zula khangi pachiche tadi sama ta anzu dasa gi yunjong da tene anzu de gyudo thasan che tene dindere o pa dinde mangbo thong digire dharmsala nang ya koyu na le ni dinde gi picture ning je buche na again the naksep shingna naksep na ne thwe shab chik tu se we sari nal dil anzu ta tyndall effect shugurba. That's a scattering of light. We can see the path of light coming through the dense forest. That's called phenomena is called the Tyndall effect. Do session ning shudu then the Baksuna gi waterfall the inda then do chuge yure, and I'm sure most of you would like to go out for swimming as well. The ngazugi daram code ki picture ning je uchi shinga the thama ngazu dirba mustard field to che. Tene ma chesh daram korne ma lebche tiba gi gyab dire nganzogi ta yunjong ingju style da ten ma ta chik meglor la lebre gonda gi part sita dine. It's so colorful, right? We could see different lights. The main square dire da nganzogi tene that's a swimming pool nganzo pejiding in no mena the espresso swimming pool inside wa da de chuke ya ga nganzo namgyu ina de chuke ya Jaguba, Luxuva, Zutugure, and Tandeteliata di lockdown digging gaining on the day. That's a very beautiful picture. The Dramsala Giona Menachireta di Stadium dire Kangragi Kangrasa Konda di Dramsala HPCA Stadium dire, the name you join the Gangeta, Rikan the Sita, dollar the ranges tigidirva, Bening Juche, lush green, and the name Nubs Niman Nubtovic something ridiculous see that. It's very colorful. 다 다른 게 주시디가 레비인다. 다 단대부터 통대부터 페이지 시켜서 녀업상 유리와 파티게 시치네니. 줄라에 아주 케시 네임디 네기 직바디네 저베이나니 아주 두세제 유고 트samla 아니 윤종 권내직 아주 디게디 상mel로기 we can enjoy them. What is light in that? Light kan ya tati darin 게 주시디 check it's very interesting. 이 스타 유레 and then 내주 망보지 또 돼야 유레 아주 직 kana tik tevi inarda pena chik tikan chik tanto ngete chik shunai digidu da di malabgile samno khol igdu khar share gugure shishine. So I'm pretty excited light kana ke shedu zambala because there are so many things that comes in my mind. Check what are the information that I have to deliver to my students. So there light can you call light as an energy? Is it an energy? Energy should be yeah, think about it. That light energy in the mainland, you can think of so many other different reasons also. So the more important thing is you investigate it. We just facilitate. Mezarosh Pagor, and Ticket the Kransolia, Tichik, Yakuchine, Gotsubina, Tando Tovani Hegi, Reanzugi. right shela chi ngazu kya bikap su sagan do be na ngazu starter do nga be na di ge ne chi ju ki chi main course ti khar nga go me chi sa gi du ba chi li gi to de to chi ta ngazu gi chigyo be ge jere right na kazu chi I don't know how successful I'm doing this. So let's hope for the best. I'm trying my best. Is light and energy reda mare stage right ta ti ngazu samno dilish ta be na ngazu light ti samno standard wa is there any natural sources of light around us? Samnoshtanda. Natural source kana ke shedu sambali ya. When we talk about natural source of light, you can come up with so many different examples, and one of the most common example, the first thing that pops up in our mind, in our brain, is sun, of course. How can we forget it? Sun, the ultimate source of energy on this planet. So, nyeme ödi nyanga chishushe, nyeme ödi ta chika ögi chungun zobdo chiche chirwa. Nyeme ödi la ngazugi edela na. I can call it as a primary source, right? So I can call it as a primary source. Tati maimpe ya yogi tachik chungkung mangbuchi yunguro ba nge tante de natural ke shigyo some are man made also like this tube like ngazu room dinala touching ye de ta digi shadow dige dirwa those bulbs halogen bulbs in ere dige di tangala yo tegyo re and dige these are not primary source, these are the secondary sources, these are generally man made, these are not natural. So right now I'm talking about natural source of light, and one of the prime example, the basic example, the most common example is sun. So sun is the primary source, right? Ta nyeme yo dinga ju zamli nan lego ba pogu re shoge ya lango re nyeme yo dil ten chine tari it's a very beautiful day, plenty of sunshine. O dukse chine nyeme yo dinga ju zamli le la kama ye de das gugu na de desh gugu gyure ye image gugu ba ta kama ye rang la ngön zib che na kama ye ro gugu re ani me yo de ngazu zamnin la do slab che ba slab gor da and ye me yo de da mang bu chi kenge gyure yo de ta kyok shö ro chi la ngön zing gro fastest thing in the universe do chi la it's the fastest thing in the universe light di is the fastest thing in the universe. Fastest thing in the universe. The speed ke kan ke shik wata yog speed de ta chik mangbo chik dong ta chik in 17th century ne che chene chik light ke speed de kan la yog ta yose de kan la ya chik ta che ching mangbo chung ba che ge de mangbo chung se ri ba mangbo chen ta ma de la ya chik dong ye yang ngap chu de ba chi ngap chu nga chik de ba di de ba de ani yog ke ta chik yose de tamadela tandegi sechi 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second said di tashine chikmaje chidong gu yangap chu chidong ye yangap chu de bachla ya yemechla ya tati hakobre nyu ta che di yungurwa ta ngoma tuje ya gushta medu zambal ya ane chik error den non tude de yungurwa chik mangyung la keba sho ta chik remsho chi chamba chik remba da chamba chik ta di tandegi chala nga ju ngelen che shabdi di ta chik dong ye yangap chu de bachla ya ande chairba chige che shabjire 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 lana etikidu yana 300,000 kilometer per second lana etikidu tadi nge light chapter the tip of zero tukpe pugutsu di thola ya deba chagre ane zero tukpa dumba an tana shin geba dozo mixe ge chapter di de kyazo thundu yo pe na di nenga shimbu shure yo kola ya tukpa dumba geba guba chuba su gi nyena digre di den chitang ge yo kan yin ba. So gyokushuchi duguyosan it's the fastest thing. Imagine chedarwa nganzo ki light ki speed chi kan la kirang gi zambling gi equator kan la chi kora gyabe ina kirang karcha chik la kora thengma dyung gyap thugre se gor equator di kora cha dyung gyap thugre la karcha chik la ta so tegus chi gi gyokbo yorta ödi shindu gyokbo chire ta gyokbo yobe ina any object that moves kola energy yoda me any object that moves yobarwa energy khande chure se na namgyune nganzo physics na ya ngogum sari na ya we call it as a kinetic energy. So any object that moves moving object has a kinetic energy. So kinetic energy yobache kaza ko dugyosa right the gyoshu chirwa ko gyoshu dugorwa so it has a kinetic energy light la ya kinetic energy so ngazu de ne chik light dil energy reach revela na Yes, we can say. That nge tayi kondu shubun da shi gyumse ta mangbu shibuchi dang tuya yo da nge de kote buchi da zenda dumba da zular wa kote buchi light di dugu yo zang gyokshu shin san ta object kari move chibe na ko kinetic energy yo ba te song za light di energy chi rays la ne ba you can say light has a kinetic energy. It is an energy. So the deshi lo na dik to ta deshi mangbu je da what is light sina it is something that helps us to see things. Ta na shi it's a ray. Light is a ray. It is a form of energy. Light the energy rays lane. Today ta mangbu chinge light ki define che ki tapche chigyo light sina khare da deshe gyada mangbu yungurwa. Susu kam da nuba da de chigyan nese da pabe. Odukshe. Ta di che la ta nganzu te chikya tes nese te shi thor drugu indarwa. Dok se chena ma chimbe na ta light ki deshe gyadi nese ta nganzu ta de le ya nga kharch train sina khar sigre di chik ta da light di is it a radiation? Is it a radiation? Light can I say it's a radiation? Radiation lana kare di kodun se gura. Radiation se na kare namgyune ngadu sikdi kogu yure. Nuclear energy, nuclear power plant, and then radiation, let's say, or Mikashigi, the Konyumbe, radiation, sena, Nyangachumburda, it's not a good thing. Taking on no kick, said the day, next to the day, Konyu, so what actually is a radiation? Radiation, sena, Tunda, so much carre, Sabina. Flow of energy in the form of wave. In the form of wave or particle. The radiation. So light the energy but so energy the flow light comes to us from sun. So it is moving. Move so energy yimba kanshi chila ko travel chigyo bache in the form of wave. Tatiya wave la the form la ya travel chigyo bala siktiya test ko khakpo ro chi yure wave sena rwa lap do chil sikirwa. So today chila ngazu radiation le. So is light a radiation sechne. Ta duk sechne light the topic the lamsang go chue de pheje khakpo injire kasna chanipa mongbu chila ya de kangye the yure ta light topic the sawa do chire 다 패시 로캬다 ngapchu shtoyna lokyada ngapchu dinde chigi yemeji lokyada ngapchu dinde yemeji nalaya ani chani pachogi light call ya ta thesa light call mangbuchi shade ya chik light sena kharre what is the nature of light dike changma chik dengso ngani ya she thwe de chik ngomane she shabe de ke mare lokyada ngapchu sta nyesha ran do chire azu gerab lojuna sebina ta dingwela ya chani pachogi light khan ya dole mangbu che yore wa chani pa mangbu chi chung yore tharing azu tum tuntu chi inda chani pa kan loju ton shebi na light gi ngo de khante chi me di chajo chinke su su chungsha mina nenga chi kan ngo de chi gi an de gi kale khar kya sha light thola how have they explained the very nature and or should I say what actually a light is di chi inda 타델이야 당봉에게 차리권 얘기 명호 직도기 Michael Faraday 생기다 Hans Christian Oyster. We know that light is radiation, right? Because why light is radiation? Because light is an energy and that energy flows in the form of a wave. That's why we call light as a radiation. Now we know that before the 19th century scientists know that light is a radiation. But after that light ki radiation ki ngo khare what is the identity of the radiation lagorta light di inia identity radiation ki ngo di khandechres the identity of the radiation yimba ha khobache and radiation ngo khandechresha di ha khobla ya ani tandinge de chani pa khaji ngodo chigi khonjogi nyamruki kale kya shabchre that radiation call ya ha khoya di su light kan la experiment chene ha khosha ba de mare it wasn't done deliberately exploring the very nature of light. It wasn't that sort of a thing. The very identity of the nature, identity of the radiation of light came into being somewhat like accidentally it happened. The day chigi loju na sivi na kangtene light ki radiation gala ya chik jang chene takche che chene tsecho che shabu de ke chungyo mare di light ki radiation khande chi me di hakhoya di chik topja goya chila ya chik hakho shabu de chigi ne su chungyo re ta di khande do chi me chi sia di nala Michael Faraday ta Michael Faraday krani gi ta krani light gala mixes ke che yo mare krani garcherlana subject mada ni gala ya to do sample la chitong ku 19th century wala ya there was a craze khari craze yor seven na me to shu ha khonto yor joshi chi ki thola joshi di kharesana the relation between electricity and magnetism dingo de wala ya mitsoge chanik ba tham ta me mangbuchi ge electricity the magnetism ni de ngoni ngo chik bat loga im bachila ngwen sing ko re ba 타데 도치라 모연제 거다 로가 임바치라야 디 줄라 카레 하고 버다 크라니 렙치네다 Michael Faraday and Hans Christian Ørsted 크라니 렙치네니 electricity the magnetism concept ni di they show a strong relationship electricity the magnetism ni digi they show bonding 크라니 팔라 데바치 요바치 템퍼레 Michael Faraday ki 타디르바 아주 tarkuchina tarkuchi ki la magnetic cube na tarkutina log kukre slide 와 다데 차레 양아주 generator 되게 되 자자치다 마이클 페라데기 concept ki kengi tendeci ta chungero ba ani Hans Christian Ørsted giya accidentally koigiya tarkuchi nala current yug deba chi ki thi dela magnetic compass chi shadu magnetic compass needle gudyo thebre and dene ha khobre oh magnet na electric ni phala electricity ni phala ya dewash tende yosar da che ta krani gi zo tange mangu shu mogo che these are the two scientists these are the two persons that came up with a very famous theory electromagnetism tuk she krani gi ta moto che shabu chre and the jele ya da de tak che shewor da sanik pat sugi kap tu du zambala light shudos ke yo mar kap tu du zambala light devas ke yo mar konsu ta magnetism da electricity ni phala devati ta gorda to sta che shidur light di paru lu jugyor concept di ta khandes ju misya ta dirwa tarku ching na la current pass chigyo na nye ko le yobe magnet di lamsam gujo thegi dwa oh that magnet na current ni phala devach yobe chi tengor dene se bu chav and the phenomena de la electromagnetism sa that phenomena is called electromagnetism ta dene leber da light ko la deshe yange so chi ta da de thong dwa James Clerk Maxwell says mi de dire ta ko Einstein imbe ina 콜라 impress show chair 그게 something the 따단 규버땅 순세브르 라 he changed the whole world took such good decision he was Albert Einstein was very much impressed by James Clerk Maxwell light kind decision 쪼부직다 고추브르 그 가리셰르세나 electricity the magnetism 니디 electricity the magnetism 니디다 여기서 electricity and magnetism travel in the form of wave electricity and magnetism travel in the form of wave and their speed is like the speed of a light oh the shape Maxwell ki ra doksin de shigyabre tanda tingwela ya tanda mangbuchik chani mangbuchi electricity the magnetism kala ya chik thona chimbu shibuchi che degyore kap tudu sambala ani Maxwell lab chene khogi de shekargyare electricity the magnetism ni di wave nangshin gi jugudu they travel in the form of wave electricity the magnetism they travel in the form of wave and their speed is same as the speed of light ki speed nang chi du dos la and tene ko ki relationship level oh tene impe na chena light di ki nature ya electromagnetic rays la ni ko ki ta duk se ko ki de se ya the nature of light is the light di radiation ni bache light ki radiation ki identity ngo khande chi resha radiation ki ngo khande chi resha la na radiation ki identity di khande chi resha la na electromagnetic ngobo tide chi resha lan de se ya ta Maxwell gi de se ya ba dila ya Einstein yi thoda chechne ro tok chene khole khele chese de the concept ko perception chi ro human perception chi light la na de se khande chi re ti cha za chi ta gyuba chin chene ane tak chik chepet ko impress cha ko chabre Einstein and dene Maxwell ta peje chik dong ye ya ye chu ngoyen to ba chi la thongbre di jela khogi she sha ba dila theoretically sheshav de proof chinge di dan the tsari padi chumbare nyamdol doa 100 hertz singich doa namju nga hertz se di zinde guba dimbe na kuzu gi wave chapter na sound se di chapter na la ya hertz la di frequency ki unit chi ba ko gi ming thon ba 100 hertz la di dus loju da loju nyambe na nga zo kapre ya tsari la in level la ya loju dige di mi khande kale gyapsha dige di kan la ya deshe gyap kapsu dige di chik khen ko ke chumbare so 100 hertz ki 직동 다 로카시직 maxwell 통치네 로카시직 죽라야 아니 그게 experimentally proven chevre proved chevre he experimentally proved the theoretical concept of James Clerk Maxwell in his very famous experiment dichela kugye Heinrich Hertz ki color photography chunge me thangbo ji chongbre ra so tade kap thudu sambala Nobel Prize Academy de yo marte ine ke yobi ina kranil tendenge ane mangbuchi saripa mangbuchi kranil Nobel Prize top go ejre chne de jan shude go ta kan cheje pe shushaire light kanliya so kogi Heinrich Hertz ki prove chevre light the radiation light ki radiation digi identity khadejre lana electromagnetic himba prove chevre sheswa so tamadela nge khadligido seveina ta denga light ki deshe dinda light ki deshe di ta neze thor dugurwa light ki deshe ke hai dirwa manzo light is something that helps us to see things la ne chechene ya chimbe na ani it is an electromagnetic radiation. Light is an electromagnetic radiation. Radiation imba de hakochin radiation ki identity the electromagnetic imba di jugla hakobre shinke di Maxwell chumbare ani secho shinke di experimentally secho shinke di experiment chechene ngo so proof shinke di ani Heinrich Hertz chumbare wa duk chechene so di tamateliya light is an electromagnetic radiation di tamadegida 단대 차랑 아주 용자 세니버서 개내데디 내서 토브치 간체 대시기압에는 라이트 데도치라 뭔지기로 아주 electromagnetic radiation은 고카고로 주다 가지기로 electric light 디다 wave 도치라 두고요 그체 radiation 인상 코 wave 나신 두고요래 energy wave 기 form the travel 치고래 아니 energy 디 wave 간데 도치래라나 데려야 electricity the electrical wave the magnetic wave 니자 용긴치래 denken식 so electrical wave the magnetic wave 니자 용ken기 radiation 치그래 light di so 데라야 니 가르슈고였으나 내주직 electromagnetic radiation say di 미상 도치라 원스다 family 치그라 it's a family 도치라 고데우슈베나 it's like a family 치그라 원스와 아니 미상 디나라야 낭미 두유르다 당에 차가 팀 먹어 생에 되는 partner tension I dig to 네, 네 department 나올로 야. This is it. partner electromagnetic wave 래. 봐. 계속 통되기도 와. 디나올로라. 몸부디 계속 electrical wave 래. 마부디 magnetic wave 래. 다디 애니메이션도 조금도 맞도 참 계속 통그래 봐. crane axis logical travel 치기도 와. And they move forward along the x-axis. Electrical wave the y-axis can be in a magnetic wave the z-axis can che and then they move forward along the x-axis so wave nija yore light the wave the reduce electrical wave the magnetic wave nija yungechre light the chance juma jache ta tandang ye ya family chingodo shigina this is the family electromagnetic radiation say the family chigreta family din nanglo ya there are 7 different members in this family starting from radio wave longest wave the name microwave infrared visible light UV ray x-ray gamma ray all these are 7 different family members of electromagnetic radiation ta nganzo light shue it's a very subjective thing nganzo light say the subjective shurida mangbuchi gi light senarwa nganzo karshigirna family du nane rawa radio wave microwave ligidwa radio wave dene microwave dene kiranski infrared wave dene visible light ligidwa so mangbuchi ki light sena visible light visible spectrum visible delaya ke shigidwa visible spectrum visible light lane tigidu tichibul ke shigidwa ngaso gari thong deba di light ray lan rawa ma thong di light mare seati pena uv ray diga ngaso megi thonggo mewa ta mi khachi ki thonggo la gor te ne chitang ge mido so uv ray thongya yo mar semje khachi chachiburu jina peruda 직냥 된데게 그냥서 도나체베이나 지우기 따당치다 간주기 따당이데 배 되게 거를 말해요. chibula ya ngaju mig na lo ya color thong he di tabung khari yore se na cone cell yorba ngaju mig na lo ya cone cell di yor we can see different colors right we can perceive the color ta de la cone cell rik khachu yore se na riksum ma shyo mar ngaju mig na la cone cell riksum yore color khari khari ga chirela na primary colors khengi yobe na red blue green these are the three cone cells types of cone cell that are in our eye ngaju mig na yo shabdi red blue green cone cell this so much ma cha chibudi ge na le cone cell sumbadi nyamdoli ya shibaji ya yor there are fourth one the uv ray receive chingedir cha chibudu uv ray receive chigita so konjogi migi tongdu zambada zamling de manaj tongor ngaju le but bright sa ta de tongor and also they can see uv rays also we can't see 어두스레 so ngaju mi ki thong me sa uv ray dige de manguchi khale re that's not a light like ro the light mare like ro pen infrared in radio wave physicists chigi radio wave the light langun jingre because why radio wave is a light because that's family chigi ro chigi ro electromagnetic radiation ro so the into radio wave is also a light ngaju x-ray sida lokba jaga tugore lakba da chabi na menkhana chin lokba jagore we never say x-ray light I'm going to do x-ray light then think about we never join the word light with x-ray connect chimeba light the x-ray nit ngaju ding loga do chilngon jingwa la x-ray the light mai ba do chilngon but that's a light according to a physicist right mo kan sari na la x-ray the light ray 간스나 코야 엑스레이 디카레 electromagnetic radiation 래 light 디기 definition 카르테 토마데 가주데 electromagnetic radiation 라이바 so electromagnetic radiation 나라야 family 차자직 디나 추데메드베 so the day into sample 디 family 다기 공동에 뉘중으로 해서 디 차자 light 래다 망부지기 간저기 예 쉐디디레 light define 체브갑소 subjective 슈차디레 간주 미기 as per our senses 간주 senses the sense of vision the limited 슈브와 간주 상마 통 두고 매와 ultraviolet infrared dige sama thong meba what we see is only the visible light ajo visible light di chigo thong geba so mangbu chigi ajo khari color chika ajo ka nime yodi sonda dyung gi soya shabla gor ba spectrum di do atila ya khari khari re sonda dyudi r o y g b I v red orange yellow green blue indigo violet the color dyundi visible rang ajo meki thong digo nang khala ya ja sharp cups color dyundi thong gor ba Newton ki dishabre sunlight is made up of 7 different color Newton ki color doing the chazan ji thong yo the me ya thezum re ro so manchu nangkal jasha jatta du samba color doing the chazan ji re lan smos la ushra thong mo do imbe na we see it ro ta the tsari ki sugar wa ta di color doing the that's a visible light we see them ti mahimbe gi invisible light ya yorwa invisible light ta family shamba dilta da radio wave it's an invisible ultraviolet is not visible for us infrared sida microwave sida these are not visible for us so these they all are invisible light ngajo thanda light ke shidu we did it ochreta imagine chia spectrum chido family dun digi distance ti kilometer chik don thugya do chila imagine nge ge did it ochlagi if the entire distance is 1600 kilometers the chebe na nganjo thanda visible light ke shigidwa visible light the electromagnetic radiation nangi chashe chungshu chirerwa chungchung chire and that will be only 1 centimeter visible light ta sida 1600 kilometer ki dinte ki chap chempu shibuchik electromagnetic radiation yoba nangne nganjo thanda khari la thong degor ta degor sevina migla light say the khari chil ngun jingosna only the fraction of it just 1 centimeter we are focusing ourselves on that 1 centimeter that is the visible light so ngaso focus share the pe chungchung singal focus sigor ngaso dile kya che chimbena ani ngaso gi invisible light tom not sure so light say the khachigi ngaso gi mege wangpugi tongtwe lentwe chik dindechila light ngonjing edinde yor so it's a very subjective ine but anyway nge de lights na dindechila ngonjing ta ma chungrim ta the light definition this sangma light gi meaning do kodon do chireta starting from what is light is something that helps us to see thing then light is a ray because it goes in a straight line light is an energy because it travels at a great speed speed the taking there 3 100,000 kilometers per second the fastest thing in the universe. So object move chikyo na kola energy yob kyapre kinetic energy sigirwa dila ya. So light the energy chikla ngunzi tuedwa tana shin light the radiation chire kasina energy the travel chigore in the form of wave. So therefore it is called a radiation. And it light the tande further chinganjoge deshechik things sabochi na pu taka deshesh na light the radiation ngo khandechire. What is the identity of that radiation na and they like thamatela papsadi. Light is an electromagnetic radiation. That chungrim dos reda. Angya thagi di table light is an electromagnetic radiation la di ta ma che cheni pa kha chiki ming ngo do chavi mixe gi Maxwell kera chbushi re dinal ko ge he did a lot of contribution and then followed by Henry Hayes and tanashi light gal deshi kenge mangbu chungyo ta Newton dige de mangbu chungyo ta dige de meba mare nge kashi ji ta tarin di mixe gi joshi electromagnetic radiation that deba yo bading e cheni pa Maxwell Henry Hertz crying ngo do chavi doksi light ki ko da ngo do che 당한 쪽에 가와 두긴 있으나 내 두긴다. That is spectrum do chire ngedagi shuzwa dinangloya there is a wide range of that electromagnetic spectrum. chikachbu shuji dinangne ani ngjo tanda light say the visible the light the chigbo chikangjo gita mi gi thong de go re and invisible light dile kya che yu gure ro dushe and the ngjo gi tadiga shifter ke dogo mo che zende geba 진짜 듬바 파도야 아니 아주 진짜 고백 값이야 라이트 콜 같은데 근데 추바도바 레비나 라이트 콜 같은데 망아 장초으로 봐 다데 they rainbow 들어 it's a very beautiful picture 다디가네 저번에 갈리긴다 당아주 라이트 게 어디 제대식 다 저바디니 투스나 캔슬 남산이 바토네 게 투레나고 말다 간스나 산리 버솔로 다직 아주 로코 센츄리 된데 고요레 라이트 칸라야 로갸라 된데 고요레 라이트 칸라 오네 텔친 바지 하고야 단도야 다직 용주 데비 투즈데레야 라이트 칸데 고 칸데 지메디 야직 아주 교도 시브르와 이베나 다 산리 버소기다 라이트 it's not everybody's cup of tea. So at the moment you can think what light is as per your own knowledge and potential. And then after this is the question that we are going to attend to. What happens when light ray falls in an object? That's a very beautiful picture to show that the light is being reflected. That's called reflection light. So first thing that happens, one thing that may happen is when light falls on any object, that object may reflect light. Light dia reflect. Pena kina zonga thoya dia. That's again a reflection of light. Ta dinala tuje mangbuji pejo ten den tan yorte. But there is a reflection of light. Nge check tada di dinala ya studio nala yoshaviki he dige dinga zo nge kala poch nen that these light are being reflected by my body. And do see camera nal chinure and camera gi particulation and do see taji unita lole unit cancel tonte ko tana shingi achu nyego le yobe ngo kari tompe na. That's because of reflection of light. That's first thing that happens when light falls on an object. So number one, tibati gi lendi karre when light falls on any object, what happens? Number one, there is a reflection of light. And then number two, that's bending of light, and we call it as refraction. So light the transparent medium transparent medium refraction of light through a transparent medium. Opaque medium the medium has to be transparent medium. So medium thagi partinal cv ina kiranzo de dinalaya chilo de la medium chi khariorsina air gi medium yorwa the shell nang the shell di insa shell di medium logachi che glass medium. So air medium ne glass medium nala medium thola yuwa thebe kapsu light di khadura ma do bachi de sida de chilo lung nala ya light di chibe kapsu it is going straight khadu dugwa when dela ya the point of incidence like ruwa dine nanglo la jubi kapsu then the light actually bends ko kyo maswe light di. So medium yuwa thebe kapsu light kyo gudwa. So that bending of light like kyo ya dilenga ju teritone refraction sa reflection refraction, these are the two different terms. And now the third thing is absorption. absorption, light absorption chigwa ngobuchi kan light povi na, and the best example is photosynthesis. Lome jangu di kan la urge podu sambala lome nangi ta ngzo ge jangrom sena mendo ro jangze dige gi chu nime yod chu le chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight and then they make use of it to make sugar, right? Ngzo gi food dirwa sugar, they make use of the sunlight to produce sugar. The light absorption example. So that's an absorption. So what? Let us go back to the question. What happens when light falls on an object? Three things are going to happen. Number one, there is a reflection of light. Number two, there could be a refraction of light. And number three, there could be an absorption of light. Or dog seshine, right? The yurim dochre. Yochi ngobujkal popi na yurim de doch. Tate chik ngege tarintele ya. Reflection of light kan joshi tamadi reflection of light ta duksinda reflection of light di what tangbo de langa activity che ro reflection of light di ro and then reflection of light sen nge tangbo ngode che and then nge activity chunju chiginda. So de la reflection of light seven ade do chiresna. Okay, let me take a mirror. So there, that's a reflection. There. The yeah, shego di kan la öde dogs. 통도 이게 디세 겨울어데. So 슈가우디 간나 레저기 라이트 랩소아. So that's a reflection of light. 여디 쉐고 간나 여디 레저 라이트 쉐고 간나 여디 포. right? And then it dabchine shuka screen di ganla ya phokswa. So that's a reflection of light. Reflection actually means bouncing, bounce shape re dabbare, right? Just like ngjo ge dende the bold WB that's about bolding MIU those parkidwa. That's a bouncing of light. So light in beina dagara bounce shape shego digana po. If you trace the path of light ray, light ki path thing lam di station chevina laser light dux the light ray in da ye mark pendi light ray ki ngo in da dux shego gan po and dux dap chingche any screen gan po so bouncing of light ray is called reflection. Light ray the bounce shiva. Penat kiranso di shu toya de dele yuj popre ani kiranso di tanda di ngajo camera na chimbre rwa and dukshe kiranso tanda tong de go re paridige. So that's a reflection of light bounce shivdire. Okay, so reflection of light la ke kange mebache. Reflection of light simply means bouncing of light ray. Now the second topic is laws of reflection da di nenga chirwa. Laws of reflection chela ya kiranso de focus. I'm going to do a very small activity. Laws of reflection. Also nam yune jik nang che thueshire nge dele ya cardboard chilinge. This is a cardboard, we can easily get it. And then nge plain paper white sheet chilinge. I need some pin. Nge dene pin kashu chilinge ba. I need some paper pin. Dok chine paper pin kashu ba. Doshe and I may need this thing. This is the protector to measure the angle. And then I also need a scale. Let me see. Here it is. The scale the chair. On to send a pencil, sharpen pencil, and then I may need this mirror. Mirror change ko da di sangma ngazu nala rade style da so law of reflection ti ngazu proof che la pele la bre tang ga chi san tang bo de ya cardboard di kan ya shugudle. I'm going to fix it. You can do this thing at your home now la da di kiran so proof che the law of reflection se khar re wa duk sigir wa ye fold checking ye duk che ne sugir wa then ye ge duk che ne paper di fix chair in you may take the help of this pin, pin to get pressure on. Let's say dige de surshilaya do chine pin dige so that they may hold the paper properly. 야 셀트 되는 페이지 하나에 되겠다. 독세. 다들 통도. 도세지라. 페이퍼디. 네가 쭉 사이. Now I'm going to data scale 기 데라 렌치네 이게 택지격이 커두지라. 택야고 김세데 가성아 쉐고디 샤고 그러봐. 쉐고디 티컵두지 간 샤고 그러봐. Even if I disturb this mirror, I may take it back to its original position. So that's why I have drawn a straight line before I keep this mirror. 독시지 카투 샤비인다. 다드네게 같이 있으나 imagine 라. 독시치네라. Imagine light chick. 독스 레버다. There could be so many incident light ray, right? Incident ray 망고시 tom나시 용그루와. So let's choose one of the incident ray. 독시인다. Let's say this is the incident ray. 의식 독슬래치네 쉐고 대샤그루와 쉐고가 포블. This is the incident ray. Ra object ne le shav the ray the incident ray sigruwa. Then 독슬래브체 쉐고가 포다. That's the path of the incident ray. Diche. Now onge normal chigu gurwa. Point of incidence kan la ya perpendicular chig. So dinge protector pishtangi enge de shachine point of incidence. This is the point of incidence. That's the point of incidence. So nge de kan ya protector disha chene I draw a perpendicular line 90-degree angle kan I draw chigi point mark chigi and then I draw a straight line at an angle 90-degree, right? Duk chene. Now the deshe that's your normal, a perpendicular line, right? So that's your normal. Ye duk che normal and chiche. Tadene mirror di duk sha. 카두르다 요요 많이 봐지 티간 카두샤 또 독스레 땅 아주 같이 해래라나 incident range 도 어디 간라야 let me fix two pin pin number 1 cardboard lembeina di keben도와 cardboard 간라 pin 디하고 슈수구도와 싱로즈 lembeina pin 수엘 가고도와 싱 타고이나 대외장 가고도와 so the day 동안 저 cardboard 간라 pin the so reza pelamsa suit with so those pin needs to be incident ray the ray is called incident ray right that the name a주 같이 했으나 다 디초ල් 드어다 아주 디초ල් 드어 and 디초는 아주 따야다 미기 쉐고 나올 따야래 아니 핀 셴바 니치네 독치지 핀 셴바 니치네로 안 쉐고 나올 따치네 다기기 핀 쭉조 니디 통구리 you can see those two pins in the mirror. Look into the mirror from the other side. Pin the incident ray di narwa look from the other side. Kyangi cho shimba de ta de shego na la pin ni tagi pin tsugyo ni de tongure and then you fix the third and the fourth pin yangya ni tsugure. Make sure that all the 4 pins are in one straight line. So nge de pin chik tsug bai. Let me fix the 4th pin also. Make sure that all of them are in a straight line. Right? So it may take some time. You have to be sure that all the 4 pins shego nalta chine pin shego nangi pin ni jiorwa di pin ni gi image di kya shego nal tongure and deep shego nangi pin tongbegi pin ni da and kya chilo yebe pin ni di kada shija khatu go khatu yebe yinarwa and kya ta denge de tuzu shira tangme khatu yebe ina and you mark these 2 points, right? So these are the 2 points. Tade show the pasha and pin digedi match, right? These are the 2 pins. And label chine digre pin 1, pin 2. And these are the pin 3 and pin 4. Tange kachikisana di thing needy. Point pin tuksa point needy. Kadu the point of incidence for the kitchen. Duk sheshinirda. Tagi pin tuksa needy. Cut to point of incidence for the kitchen and then you draw a straight line. Tadire. Deshikabina incident ray the duk slip shego kan po. This is the mirror and ding a point O to point of incidence in the. There the poch in a double the dupchimber dux reflective. Wa duk slip shego kan po and dux dubne chill lober. That's your reflected ray. The incident ray re. The dabchava ray dilaya reflected ray leg. Tangazo karchiare sevina. Tangede kiranzo incident ray. You did the nature of lives. The you did w you call it as reflected ray. Ta karchigre sena. This is the normal. So now we have to measure these two angles. This angle and this angle. We have to measure these two angles. Of course, with the help of a protractor. I'm going to do this. Measure. Let's see. Let's measure the value of these two angles. So measure. And then it's coming 30 degree. This angle is coming, measuring 30 degree. Let's see. How about the other angle? That's coming. 32 ligitu. It's coming 32 degree. Nye tujushra tang me sub shechi che me 32 degree ligitu. Angle pala te shikeba do 2 degree kebar kabre yungure da digin yumze de shuginda. Kari me yante yumze ha makobe na ngal di kaza angle chikpa ligi mendo shechine kange de 3 degree wa. So yumze de karse na dile yang aju parallax later. Dila dila parallax like the problem is called parallax. Parallax se na dindechre ngajo ki angle tatan di kala kyu yoro ngajo ngobu chile ya tadu sambala angle takta shi kala mata be na object digi lanaire image di lanaire digi position la kheba tu. So change in the position of an object because of the position of the because of the difference in the angle. So dile yang aju parallax like aju tatang ye angle di tadu sambale ye test no yurwa dile kingi ani the image the position dile ya kebar chimbare dile parallax like. So parallax di yong sigre kesi kran ke test sabsa chebe na ani kran khara agri sebe na the angle chidwa di chikpa chikya ligir wa nge nangla ya char khashi chebe chikpa likitu 단댕에 테스트 교고 체산과 그냥서 맞던도 sample 투즈 매베긴기 교고 시도 angle test kiba shogudu one is coming 30 degree and the other is coming 32 degree. So there is a slight difference in the measurement of these two angles, and I've told you the reason is called parallax. Parallax. We call this as a parallax. Right? So 그냥서 안 디간에 야 check low 90 degree what is a parallax. 디간에 parallax like 독체 다 될이야 di reda tande nge activity che di laws of reflection tungyu ta laws of reflection kan tuginda thama de tari joshi dirwa laws of reflection sena khari rese tange tim mogo chenge dina la attention ai tikitu slide na rwa laws of reflection di inda. These are the two laws of reflection. Tharing as joshi de dirwa laws of reflection nge practically nge dela chene tempe chala tiketi rate usta yure en kyanso doks chechne chechu cheda nyeba nyegire kyan law of reflection na ade dindeshi resha samsam yungure. So conclusion thing law of reflection ni taking that there are two laws of reflection. Number 1, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. That's the number 1 law of reflection dangbo dire. Angle I ta in my case, there was a slight difference. Angle one is coming 30 and the other is coming 32. That's because of parallax error. The error if the law of reflection, you have correctly followed the law of reflection. Angle I is always equal to angle R. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at a point of incidence all lie on the same plane. I think again, Delia, Dichikta in the Kiranso de Del Tingete de Shayasha. That's your plane. And incident ray. I call it as an incident ray. Incident ray, right? That's your incident ray. And that's your normal. a line that is perpendicular at the point of incidence. This is the point of incidence. Let's mark it as O. And then daily light the this is your reflected ray. Reflected ray. Yeah, the free hand you draw, but never do this thing. Scale cannot in a scale to because light the ray lang simple ya tagira light travels in a straight line. So they you are not following the basic rule of light. So it's not going straight. So we have to be very sure. Use scale in order to draw this diagram. Figure the draw Chevykov's. What was the first law of reflection? First law of reflection says angle I is always equal to angle R. That's the first law of reflection. Now angle I se na dil lagor. Angle I. Angle R se na dil lagor. So what is angle I? Angle I na partial see the bangbuji physics remote on jayure. Angle I se na this angle is called angle I. And where do you find this angle I? Kawa do angle I di. Remonal teve na. This angle I lie between this ray and this. Incident ray ta normal ni ki pargi angle dila angle I shugra. Angle I is the angle between incident ray and normal. That's called angle I. Angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and the normal. Similarly, angle R sena kharre is the angle between normal and reflected ray. Then pargi normal ta reflected ray ni ki pargi angle dila angle R chi shugre. So as per the law of reflection, number 1, angle I must always be equal to angle R. Just what kesi chikpa legi me na khana ya khana ge ta parallax kange de teyure, and next time you do it more accurately. Tuzo ya wo stand kaptu re do me do take your time and pinch the khadu yo me de geju should ochre. Oh diche. Then incident ray long yiba dikhala gdu incident ray, normal and reflected ray at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. So that's the second law of reflection. Incident ray che, reflected ray the normal sumga law at the point of incidence plane chigal negri. Oh dilaya law niva de chagri law of reflection. Tok sheshi taring anzu ki jushi ni to cheshi tuzu manga ta di light content uchila ngwen singa tikala ya tuzu manga tani light ki deshe gap up so that deshe deshe gyatan de ta chek sozo nedan nelu nezele pabe deshe manda rimba mangbochi gap thoya yore taginge tigiri chimbe. First of all, I wrote light is something that helps us to see things, that make things visible for us. Light menang asu nagung chachi thonggu medwa. So light helps us to see things. Diche nibadela ya is light a ray lunch to which go be, and to prove that nye experiment activity chunju chevi so the lela stare the redo chira the thamokone ra digro and dela ya series sum pejutambi thone zok chene chochile ya lach me pa ta kiran thong digre khatu shabe na thongre te sik city dia ma kyok be na ra city dige de te yama gujo ta chene ra this su sha chik phas sha chene ni thong mare and digi kharto yong korsena light travels in a straight line, and straight line that travel chigyo we can say light is a ray. So you may say light is a ray. Then sumbatela is light an energy lan chavi. Light, of course, it's an energy because it travels at a great speed. In fact, the fastest thing in the universe. Zamlina de mora jokshu de ha khugube. Bugatti says mora chitwa. Jokshu ta khongze nge ke shi me da jokshu. Speed the also dene dharamsala ne Delhi tevi na speed khazu china. Alam tak kilometer shibya dunchu yemeji ingire. Rwa dharamsala ne Delhi pato kilometer shibya dunchu zasu yugure. Rwa Bugatti ki be na da kugi speed de ende dochre. Chuzu chigla kilometer shibya gubchu sto tugor. Ba yoko. Chuzu chigla kilometer shibya gubchu la na peje langa de ta de ya condition yungurwa. If had the road been straight, mazu dharamsala and Delhi pato road di khatu yobe ina, then Bugatti chinal chimbe ina kirage speed, the top speed, the 490 kilometers per hour. That means can Delhi patoya. Langadi, but the condition is the road has to be straight. And Tanashing road the Tomba Gugutaya, traffic in di kurba. So something nangi car motor yokshu the car yokshu the Bugatti speed the 490 kilometers per hour. but speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. Second chigla karcha chigla ta didechik drotu gor 300,000 kilometer boom sum den drotu gor. So negi issue so imagine cheve ina example gi equator kan la light gi speed kan la kora gyatu be ina karcha chig na la equator kora char dun na gyatu gre. So that's the speed of light, and object move chigyo na kola ya energy yo ba kyabre energy den chila kinetic energy stigre. So light la kinetic energy yore sichue. So energy light the energy chila ngun zin thwe do. So light is an energy la netik do. Ta na shingi ya light is light radiation and chevi. And there are some tangi mambu chumpre light the radiation yimbalaya kharishen gugursena light the wave ki form the travel chigo, and light the energy che energy the wave ki form the travel chigo then chila yang radiation shugo or light la chagen the sang we can say light is a radiation. That tamadela the identity of radiation tila kale gyamya ta chani pa mambu chumbo radiation rate in radiation ngo khande chire se ta electromagnetic radiation tagi dum the chadan sheswa o dire light is an electromagnetic radiation tamadilaya the dechi kanla ya shabi, and the light kanla ya ngobuchi kanla ya urge power ina karichungures. What happens when light falls on an object? And three things may happen. Number one, reflection dapchinerwa. So ngai kira tonggo kira zo ngazu thongya da chik ngazu yaman namgyune langa kan da nang da chik me chik thong de me chala thongya da chama. That's because of reflection of light. Had there been no reflection of light, we wouldn't have seen those things, right? Oh, then a second factor is, second phenomena is when light falls on an object, the object may refract it. In a that object has to be transparent. So transparent in a light chimbeina. Glass is a transparent medium, and that bending of light is called refraction. And refraction can be a shu mogo chair one, then tamadela ya light absorption chigres pesting ege lomega la urge pochne lomega the sulenchne, then they produce their own food. The process is called photosynthesis. You all know that. So they are example chigre absorption of light. And tamadela ege transola ya concept the tang ngodo chinda ngazu tanda the remech to gure dunda juma de la. We'll talk more about dunda juma de shadow ngal chike. That's an interesting thing. Zira tukpa dumba nija gi sungde kan nge de nyam to nge lap tigyo lobsen zin chubana light yore zin dumbe na light yore nija nyam to tigyo ani zira chubana light yungure. So chaza chame gi su sibi na digre wa. So the shadow kan chikche, and then a refraction kan like shigi, and types of reflection di dinu jumache. And taring tamadeling ege law of reflection the experimentally chabi and kranso chala digi dra de busta yore and chesho rwa prove che and tamadeling ege law of reflection machik tbu law ni yore angular is always equal to angular, incident ray, normal and reflected ray at the point of incidence all lie at on the same plane. The reaching a law ni the law of reflection ni the kransola ba deshetya or doxin taringi that lezendi. That the dunajuma de la light colony, mutuni drogi, and the tobe so in bena could sirona chain this sense in our shui has a light jushi each of the table chagring a typical Sunija yam to take you. All dosi and Tiba Vena Pesho Triba Kaman Kurochi. And the ya chance to talk about na chushik ma de gaba go ma su kari be na tiwa kang mang mang kuiro chi chen gyaro chi shue yi tochna